Hi everyone, it's Susanna with the Strong Bones Challenge Facebook group, and I have the next month's challenge for you because it's Halloween as I film this. And what exercises would you come up with on Halloween? Well, I came up with skull crushers and dead bugs, of course. So this month we'll be strengthening our triceps with skull crushers and core with dead bugs. So we'll just do a round of each. I'm gonna have to ask Ellie to move off my mat in order to demonstrate. Ellie, I'm really sorry. You gotta get up. I know. I gotta show everybody how to do this. So go. I'm gonna move the dog out of the way. All right, so you're gonna need a weight for skull crushers. If you're new at this, you could just take a water bottle. I'm using a 5-pound weight, which is actually relatively light. If you can go heavier or you have experience with this, grab 8 pounds, 10 pounds. Be safe though, because you could literally hurt yourself doing skull crushers. That's why it's called skull crushing. So you'll come onto your back, and then for this round, Ellie, I need you to be over there. Keep your feet down and then extend your arms straight up towards the sky. Okay, so from your shoulders, elbows, holding on to your dumbbell or water bottle, and now slowly with control lower it towards your skull, towards your forehead. It might go past your head, but you're not going to let it touch anything. And then extend up. So the key is not to crush your skull, but to slowly work that muscle, the tricep. So that was 2. You're breathing. 3, 4. Notice I'm trying not to move my upper arm, this part of the arm, or the elbows. They stay still, and you just hinge down and extend up. Let's do 5, 4, 3, 2, last 1. Go really slow and extend. Good. And then relax, carefully put your weight down. And now we'll go on to dead bugs. So if your low back has any discomfort or cannot be grounded, you can place your palm underneath the edge of your butt so that you can keep your lumbar spine very much grounded for dead bugs and not do the arm part. So that's an alternative for some of us. If your back feels strong and your abs are engaged, you can extend both arms to the sky, and now we'll do our dead bug. A dead bug exercise, you engage your core, your abdominals, and you'll alternate extending the opposites. So if it's right leg, left arm, and back up to starting point. Left leg, right arm, and up. So this works your brain as well as your core and your shoulders. It's an amazing exercise. So go slow with control. And let's do 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last 1. Excellent. And there it is. Those are your 2 exercises for the month. Go ahead and repeat that. Do it every day or every other day, and I'll see you on Facebook. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not yet a member of the Strong Bones Facebook group, go ahead. Below this video is a place where you can request to join. We'd love to have you. So thanks very much. See you in the next video.